Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do let me know how you feel the readings are. So today is the day of Kali Oracle, where we do the readings with the Kali cards. Now coming to the reading today, before we pull out the cards, I feel the color should be blue today, and a lot of you have been seeing good changes in May, but still have a lot of fear and expectations of how things will go. The May has just begun, so I feel that changes will come, and these changes will be for good. And so let's see the cards first, and then we will see what other things you can do tomorrow. So the first card, Khadga, has come. So let's see what is the next card that is coming. Let's pull two cards and the Shamshana. Now here overall, when I'm seeing the cards before I predict in detail, I feel that let go of things which are troubling you, and more like we say, no, Shamshana is where we bury things. So I feel let go of the things which is troubling you of late, and then just bury them, because there's no point having your mind and having your energies on it, because it is anyways not going to make any big difference if you keep thinking on it or if you keep brooding over it. So let's see what in detail these cards mean. So here I feel the Khadga has come as a message to stop struggling and to start moving forward. According to the cards, I feel, sorry, I had to put on a pause because the call came, and I'm sorry for that music in between. So anyways, if this is coming in a reading, basically it is more like you can handle issues, you can handle everything, but it's just that you are clinging on to things, and the timing has come that you need to incorporate and let go of old things which are troubling you, and bring in new things which will actually bring in beautiful changes. And trust yourself. I feel this card, the Khadga, has come that you are lacking trust in yourself, and because of which you are facing a lot of ups and downs in your inner field, wherein the Shamshana is more like change yourself, come out of the issues, so that there's a beautiful and a powerful change coming. When we let go, maybe this card can also be as detachment. When we let go of things that are troubling us, the beautiful change that comes in life, that beautiful change somewhere changes us completely and gives us a very, very beautiful outlook towards life. And it also makes us powerful. At the same time, it makes the things around us positive and good. So today, as I said, maybe the color is blue, maybe that's the reason Shamshana has also come. So you can even work on chanting any Kali mantra, whichever Kali mantra you love chanting, you can chant. Also in the evening, offer some prasad to Ma Kali and distribute it among poor people. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Jai Ma Kali.